In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Gmail contact list. If you've ever wondered how to safely back up your contacts or perhaps transfer them to another platform, this guide will walk you through the simple process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Sign in with your Google account credentials if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Gmail interface. On the upper right corner, you'll notice a square composed of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu, sometimes affectionately called the Google Waffle. Clicking on it reveals a variety of Google services available for your use. Next, from the drop-down menu, find and click on Contacts. This will redirect you to Google Contacts, which is where all of your saved contact information resides. Here, you may take a moment to look through your list of contacts to ensure that the information is up to date and as you would want it when exported. On the left-hand sidebar of the Google Contacts interface, there's an option labeled Export. Go ahead and click on this. You'll be presented with choices on what contacts you wish to export. Here, you have options to export particular groups or all of your contacts. Select the option that best fits your needs. Now, it's time to choose the format for your exported contacts. Typically, you'll be given a few options: Google CSV, Outlook CSV, or vCard. The format you select will depend on what you need the export for. Google CSV is a great choice if you're planning to import your contacts back into another Google account. Outlook CSV might be more suited if you're planning to use your contacts with Microsoft Outlook. vCard is a versatile and widely accepted format, especially if you're working with Apple products. Once you've made your selection, click on the Export button. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either download immediately to your default download location, or you'll be prompted to choose where to save it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Gmail contact list. It's always a good practice to routinely export and back up your contacts to avoid data loss. Keeping a backup ensures that, even in the event of an accidental deletion or account compromise, you have an up-to-date version of your contact information readily available. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with someone who might benefit from it, and stay tuned for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.